Morning everyone. So after showing an image of one of the cheap mirrors, I said I'd do a video of the process that I went through to make it. So here we go. So here you can see I've downloaded my image of the eagles. My mirrors are 75mm in diameter, so this is what I'll make my template. Now that I have my template, I can move my image to the center, then just scale my image down to where I want it with my template. If I box it all and highlight everything, I can apply a mask to my image. It will show me what it's going to engrave. So it's as easy as that with this image. There's not much to this image. It's black and white, has very nice darks, not very many shades, and a nice pattern around the outside. Could have been nicer, but we'll go with what we got. So my speed is 500, my power is 30, frequency is 600, and a Q-pulse width for MOPA lasers is 200. I used DPI of 423, and the dither is entirely up to you. I liked Jarvis for this one. It's a single pass, and that's it. So next I will go over to the laser and show that I'm putting it face down, so you're lasering on. Oh, that's another point. You need to invert the image, so it needs to be a negative for this. So next I'll show you that I'm putting it on the laser face down, and then I'll show you the outcome, which is not very easy because it's not very easy to show an image of a mirror. But just, if you're going to get these mirrors, just be very careful, one, with the edges because they're very sharp, and secondly with the backing after it's been lasered. It's very flaky, and you're just rubbing it with your fingers can actually pull that backing off where it's been lasered. So I made a 3D printed small case to put my mirror in. I'll probably make a stand of some sort. I'm not very good with CAD, so it will take me a little while, but I wanted to put it in something so I didn't keep rubbing off the backing, but you'll see. Thank you.